Yeah, I turned the phone.
And lastly, are we ready to see some birds of prey? Let's begin. We are first going to meet a very beautiful bird that is found in this area and considered to be the most common and numerous bird of prey found throughout all of North America, and I'm not going to tell you what it is. We're going to test your identification skills, see if anybody can identify this bird. It's
I think once the birds start, he'll shut up.
Yeah, but I can't even. Well, never
Well,
mind.
the sound system is on a weak volume.
This bird is very valuable to our environment for a lot of reasons. Primarily because they help to give a balance in nature of the things they eat. They eat rabbits, rats, squirrels, mice, rattlesnakes, snakes in general. It's also a big part of their diet. Now, speaking of things that he might eat, would you in fact like to see him do a little bit of hunting for us here today? Alright, well, you're in luck, boys and ladies. It's a really short one. We're heading to the petting zoo, so just follow us right down the road.
Your pedals just wiggle back.
We're going to do a simulated hunt, boys and ladies. We're going to see if we can get him to attack another lure he's trained to attack, much the same as he would attack prey out in the wild. So, let's see if we can get his attention. Here we go.
All right, here we go. This is gonna be good.
Oh yeah, this part's good. I love this part.
There he goes. Up. Watch it.
Here she comes.
Oh
Here she
yes.
comes.
After it.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, look at this! Very cool. Of course, I wasn't filming.
Prey wins the day.
They'll like come and land on the fence or yeah, they like swoop over the tree.
Let's go and stand right
Remember
here.
to hop slowly.
One time, one of the birds got like, I'm gonna go in that tree for a while. I'm like,
You're like, where is he? Oh,
Best tree.
It looks pretty.
So, for those of you that have been here in past years on opening day for the bird show, you may go ahead and go to the other side. Right. You may know that opening day for us is also a dress rehearsal day for them. This is actually an extra special rehearsal day for them because you may know there was a big storm that occurred last week when we were stuck in Florida and didn't make it until 2 days ago when we arrived here. You want the buddy here? That's what we want. Yeah, let's have it. He's watching you like yeah, let me have it. There we go. Alright.
Nice.
Good job, Tom.
oh, that's awesome.
Now, he will protect this just as though he's captured prey in the wild. Simple line, there you go. He's going to kill it again. We're going to try and get it away from him. Now, do you see those feathers sticking up on the back of his head? Have you ever heard the term getting your hackles up? It's an old falconer's term that refers to a bird that's a really mad bird. It's the worst time to handle a bird like that. They're in a very aggressive state of being. So we've got it. He's done a great job. Up here. There we go. Sorry about that. Now, the reason that Spike here is in captivity with us is because, unfortunately for him, he had been held illegally as a pet in someone's backyard.
Oh.
Now, to do it, what they had done was tie baling wire, like what you use to wrap up hay with, around one of his legs and the other end of that to a tree out in the backyard.
Oh my
Now,
God.
when he was discovered by the authorities, the wire was so badly embedded around his leg that the wire had to be surgically removed. Now, because of that, the only way he knows knows how to find food is to find a person to give it to him. So unfortunately, that means he cannot be released back to the wild. It poses a public health threat. So because of that, he will remain with us in captivity, so he can share his story and hopefully live out a good, happy life. Let's bring it back up here.
Oh my gosh, so pretty. Did you hear what kind of bird it is?
I didn't.
Spike,
I think it's a hawk.
ready? Here we go. Wait, what? Say goodbye to Spike.
Bye, Spike.
Looks like
And let's see if we can figure out what he is while he's deciding if he wants to go inside. It is a hawk, and it does have a red tail. Anybody?
Red tail hawk.
That's what he was saying.
Ah.
You bit.
Yep.
Alright. Let's try it again. Hello, what?
Oh, huh?
This is also, by the way, a new door that he's going into.
He looks awesome. Look at that.
Oh wow.
Or maybe not. I think he just flipped us the bird.